Welcome to Ela Korean Cocktail. I'm going to take you a little bit behind our bar and show you what's unique about us. Again, we have a very wide spirit selection, but what we're proud of more than anything is our rum selection. Now, I'm very rum biased. Rum is my spirit of choice. I grew up in Jamaica. I grew up in the cane fields. I used to plant sugar cane. I used to harvest it. And I grew up 35 minutes from Appleton Estates in Silo, St. Elizabeth. So if you could come up closer. Now, I would say we have the best rum selection north of Miami. We're located here in Jupiter, and you could see the rum selections that we have. And also, what's very evident is what we don't carry, because we have a very unique perspective on what we believe is defined as rum. Rum is actually the most universal spirit in the world. It's the only spirit that's not tied down by geographic location. If you're talking about mezcal and tequila, you can only get that from Mexico. You know, bourbon, you can only get that from the United States. And vodka is predominantly Eastern Europe, but rum is everywhere. Every country on the continent makes rum. So that makes it very unique. So the parallel is very wide, and the flavor profile very unique from one island to the next, or from one geographical region to the next. If you want to take something as the Holmes Key, Reunion Island, agricole style rum, right? Very grassy, very straightforward. 50% ABV, amazing rum to make a daiquiri. You're gonna get that sugarcane juice coming through. As something as the Hamilton pot still Jamaican rum, right? Very pot still is gonna give you a very different flavor profile from column stills. Very round. You can taste the aging in here. It's a little more approachable. But when you talk about tiki drinks and tiki cocktails and a rum that's going to play well with different flavors, Hamilton does that as well. This is our coconut rum, Naughty Beach, made here in Florida. Again, made with real coconut water. Right? Not going to give you that headache, that hangover. If you're somebody looking to get into rum, you know, this could be a gateway rum for you, right? And then, you know, you go up to the big boys. So the Hamdens, the highly aged, the Ron Centenarios from Costa Rica. To me, the most beautiful rum bottle out there, Rum Jam Volcanique. I love this bottle, the label, the design, the way it feels, very smooth. It's an agricole style rum as well. Very unique. You got your 151 Lemon Heart and Sun Black Pool, which I think is the best spice rum out there. No matter where you're from, you can find a rum here that's gonna relate to your geographical location.